What's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. Now, if you watched the video that I made a few weeks ago, you would know that I actually paint matched the front splitter that I have on my car right now by using this kit that I got from TouchUpDirect. I said if I liked how that turned out, that I was gonna plan on maybe doing the exact same thing on my side skirts and possibly even the little rear splitters that I have on my car too, if we have any excess paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this package opened up right here. That way I can show you guys everything that we got. We get this opened up. First thing that we actually have right here is a polishing kit. This should really come in handy because if you look right there, it actually increases the gloss and it makes it look a lot more like the OEM paint than just some basic spray paint that you would find at your normal hardware store. Right here, we have a bunch of polishing and wax and grease remover. And then of course, some microfiber towels right here as well. I'll talk about this here in a second, but I'm actually really excited about that. Right here, we have some gloves, which are really handy. You may be a little bit curious as to what this is right here. This is actually a test card, so you can ensure that the paint that you're getting looks 100% perfect and is a complete color match to your car. It's super easy to test your paint to make sure it's perfect. All you have to do is pretty much just spray a couple things of the base color, and then afterwards you do a couple things of clear coat as well. And after that gets done drying, you just hold the test card up to the color of your car just to ensure that it's a perfect match. Right here we have some tack cloths just to remove any of the dust or particles that may be on the side skirts that we're going to be painting. And of course right here you'll see all the paint that we're going to be using, the clear coat and some of the primer as well to paint the side skirts. This right here I'm honestly really excited and interested to try out. This is an attachment that you put on top of the spray can, kind of like this. This will allow you to spray the can a little bit easier and be a little bit more precise with it as well. Now that I've showed you guys everything that we're going to be using today, I'm going to go ahead and start off by removing these side skirts and getting them prepped and ready for paint. Now that we got the side skirt and the rocker panel taken off the passenger side, I'm gonna go ahead and do that same thing now on the driver's side as well. It should be really simple to get these side skirts removed. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be around 10 or 12 nuts and bolts on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them flipped over and start removing everything. There we go. Got that first one taken off. Look how filthy it is. We're definitely gonna have to give this a good wash, and I'm also gonna have to tape up the bottom, that way I don't ruin or get any water on the underglow lights. I went ahead and moved over to the backyard just so it'd be a little bit easier for us to work on this, and I got both the underglows fully taped up on both the side skirts. The first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is use some of this 400 grit sandpaper and get off all of these scuffs and marks that may be on the side skirts. I just got finished sanding it down with the 400 grit. I'm gonna go ahead now and use the backside and wet sand the entire thing as well, just to get out any of those deeper scratches. Now that we got everything covered with the 400 grit, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a piece of 800 and wet sand this as well, just to get out any of the remaining blemishes or anything else that may need to be removed before we go ahead and start cleaning it off and get it ready for paint. Now that I got done sanding everything fully down, I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this Dawn dish soap just to use that as a degreaser and clean everything off fully. I'm gonna go ahead now and open up the wax and grease remover just to get everything cleaned off as well. Now it's time to use the tack cloth and get off any of the dirt or debris that may still be on it. I'm really excited to try out this little attachment that TouchUpDirect sent out. I'm pretty sure what you have to do is there's gonna be these little tabs on both sides. You're gonna wanna press them inwards, that way it goes like this. And then you just fit it over the spray can, kind of like so, and then just lock it down into place. Now we should be good to go ahead and start spraying. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. Wow. That is so sick. We can go ahead now and put the attachment on. It's time to begin spraying. That should be good for our first coat. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry and then come back out here. We're gonna go ahead and do one last final thing of primer, and then we can begin painting. Now, before I started this video, I actually already used one of the test cards just to confirm that the paint was a good match. But in case you don't know how to do that, I'm going to be showing you on this blank test card right here. Essentially, what you're going to do is grab one of the Arsenal spray cans with the paint and get it shooken up. After about a minute or so, you'll go ahead and apply one of the first coats onto this test card place right here where it says test here. You'll let that sit for around 10 to 15 minutes, come back out here and do one more coat, and then you can apply a few things of clear coat as well, and then you should be able to see exactly how well the color looks. That should be pretty good for a first coat. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry, like I said, for around 10 to 15 minutes and come back out here and do one more. We can now apply the second coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this sprayed on there. Just like so. And now we'll let this dry. We're gonna go ahead and spray about 1 or 2 coats of clear coat and we should be good. Gonna go ahead and just let this dry. Now that we got the test card fully sprayed, I'm gonna go ahead and hold it up to the car now just to confirm that it's a perfect match. And just like that, as you guys can see, it looks absolutely perfect. This shows us now that we can go ahead and begin painting these side skirts. It's time to start spraying the color. Time to do coat number 2. Time for the third and final coat. And just like that, we're finished up with the full can, and that finishes off our third and final coat. Now that everything's fully done drying, it's time for us to apply the clear coat. Gonna go ahead and get this shooken up really well before we start spraying it. And that should be good for our first coat. Time for the second and final thing of clear coat. And with that final spray right there, we should be fully done. Now that we're fully done painting the side skirt, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it inside and use the polishing kit that TouchUpDirect sent out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this opened up, and I'll show you guys everything that comes within the kit. Right on top, we have a nice microfiber towel, and you'll see right here are the instructions on how to actually use everything. What we got right here is an attachment that we put onto the drill. I'm gonna go ahead and just get that closed up. In this bottle right here, we have some of these gloss restorer. And then in this one is the final step, which is what we apply afterwards. We have a blue polishing pad, and inside this box right here, we also have a red one. And then as you can see, this is the attachment that we screw onto the drill. And then inside here, we have a couple of sanding pads as well. The first thing that we're gonna use is these sanding pads. As you can see on here, it's optional that you can cut them up into little small pieces. That way it's a little bit easier for you to work with, or you can use the entire pad itself. Now that we got everything all fully wet sanded down, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this cloth right here and wipe everything off. It's already starting to look a lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with using the red pad as it says in the instructions. You just go ahead and attach it with the Velcro that's on the back side of it, and you get it stuck on, just like that. We're gonna apply this on to the red compound pad, and we're gonna probably put around like a dime size, kind of like that right there. We should be good to go ahead and apply it onto the side skirt now. What I'm gonna go ahead and do now is get the red pad taken off this drill, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the blue one now. Same thing as before, we're gonna go ahead, open this up, and get probably about a dime sized amount of product on there. We'll go ahead and do the same thing that we did with the gloss restorer.
Good morning, you guys. It's been a few days since I last picked up the camera. I got these side skirts both fully done and painted. The only thing that we have left to do now is just apply this polishing compound and get them installed back onto the car. And just like that, we're fully finished up with painting these side skirts. You guys are gonna have to let me know what you think down in the comments below. I honestly think that they turned out amazing, and I'm super happy with the way that they look. What I'm thinking about doing now is taking the car out to a location where I can go ahead and grab some photos and videos to showcase to you guys how the new paint match side skirts look. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get the car started up and we'll head out. So I actually just made it to this spot right here where I'm gonna go ahead and grab some photos for you guys. So with that being said, let's go ahead and cut into the cinematics. pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Big thank you and shout out again to TouchUpDirect for making this video possible. I'm absolutely in love with the way the side skirts and the front splitter looks, and it couldn't have been done without them. So if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you're new, that way you can stay up to date on all the content that I make with my 86, just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.